Sudden blackout.
Hello? Is anybody there? I can't see a thing.
Good evening, sir. Please do not panic. I am right here.
Oh, thank goodness. You almost gave me a heart attack. What just happened?
I apologize for the sudden darkness. It seems the storm has caused a citywide power outage.
A power outage? Seriously? I just wanted to check in and take a hot shower.
I completely understand your frustration, sir. We are doing our best to handle the situation. Unfortunately, our electronic keycard system is down, so check-in might take a moment.
Well, candlelight is quite romantic, isn't it? Just you, me, and a blackout.
It is certainly atmospheric, sir, but let's focus on getting you to your room safely first. Since the electronic keys aren't working, here is the physical emergency key for room 402.
Wait, if the power is out, does that mean the elevators are not working?
I am afraid so. You will have to use the stairs. It is on the 4th floor.
The 4th floor?
With this bag? This is my workout for the year.
I will escort you. It is too dark to find the way alone. Please follow me.
It's actually kind of spooky in the hallway. Have you ever seen a ghost here?
Only the ghost of guests who refuse to pay their bills. So you should be safe.
Okay, stairs, step 1. By the way, is there Wi-Fi working?
Sorry, the router is off too. It is a total digital detox for you tonight.
No Wi-Fi? No elevator? What is this? The Stone Age? I might have to actually read a book.
Almost there. Just 2 more floors. Think of it as a free gym session provided by the hotel.
Whoa, okay, that was loud. Maybe the ghost is angry about the bill joke.
Here, let me hold the light closer. You need to turn it to the left, not the right.
Got it!
Open sesame.
You are a lifesaver.
Here you are. There are emergency candles on the writing desk and matches in the drawer.
Found them. Okay, lighting the fire. I feel like an explorer. There. Let there be light. Thanks for walking me up. I would have been lost.
It is my pleasure. If you need anything else, well, you can't call, so just yell really loud. Power restored.
Great timing. Perfect timing. Just as I was getting used to the 19th century.
Well, enjoy your electricity, sir.
And your hot shower.
Good night.
Best service ever. Good night.